Hi everyone, here we are discussing some solve questions. First question, prove that P implies Q equal to P dash plus Q. Two characters P and Q, or two components P and Q. You will have four rows. P, Q, P dash, P implies Q and P dash plus Q are the columns. So we know how to fill the values 0, 0, 1, 1. Then the value of Q is 0, 1, 0 and last one is 1. The next we need to find the P dash value. P dash means negation of P. 0 dash is 1. Again 0 dash is 1. 1's negation is 0 and 1's last one also the same 1's negation is 0. Next P implies Q. In the previous video we discussed about conditional statement and the formula using for conditional statement and what are the rules for writing the truth table of P implies Q. The same. P, just remember that P implies Q is 0 when P is 1 and Q is 0. For others, P implies Q is 1. So we can just notice the value of P and Q is 0. P is 1 and Q is 0. The P implies Q is 0. For all others, it is 1. So we can write 0 here and all the pairs it is 1. 1, 1. Again, last one is also 1. Next, find the sum of P dash plus Q. So P dash plus Q means we need to find the sum of the values of these two columns. So P dash plus Q, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1, 1. Next one, 1 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. So we got the final answer as 1, 1, 0, 1. Now we can check both these two columns are same. So we can tell P implies Q equal to P dash plus Q. So hence it is proved. Which one? P implies Q equal to P dash plus Q. The second question, prove that P biconditional Q equal to P implies Q dot Q implies P. Here also two variables P and Q. So we will have four rows. The values of P are 0, 0 and 1, 1 and Q 0, 1 and 0, 1. Next one, P biconditional Q. In the previous video, we discussed about the biconditional statement and the formula using for biconditional and how to draw the truth table also. The same, using the biconditional rule, P biconditional Q is 0 when P equal to 0 and Q equal to 1. When P equal to 0 and Q equal to 1 and when P equal to 1 and Q equal to 0, in both cases the value of P implies Q is 0. For other pairs it is 1. So 0 and 1, here it is 0. 1 and 0, here also it is 0. For others it is 1. So 1, last value also 1. Next is P implies Q. P implies Q means when P is equal to 1 and Q equal to 0, in that case the value of P implies Q is 0. For all other pairs it is 1. So we can write 1, next also 1, 0, 1. The next column, Q implies P. Q implies P means when Q equal to 1 and P equal to 0, in that case alone the value of Q implies P is 0. For all others it is 1. So others all 1. 1. Here also 1. Last one 1. Then the last column, P implies Q dot Q implies P. That means we need to multiply these two columns value. So what is the values? 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Last one, 1 into 1, 1. Now we have proved P biconditional Q equal to P implies Q dot Q implies P. That is the total, that is this column's value is equal to the last column. So both are equal. So we can write, hence the given is proved. Hence it is proved. Next one, using truth table from premises P and P implies Q, infer Q. That is, we have to prepare a truth table for given premises P and P implies Q, and the conclusion to be drawn, that is Q. Let's see. For that, first we need to write a statement from premises P and P implies Q, infer Q. So just write as a statement, P and is indicated as dot. So P dot, P implies Q. Infer is also indicated as implies. So we can write the whole implies Q. This is the statement. For this statement, we are doing the truth table. So how many characters here? It's not characters, variables. How many variables? 2 variables, P and Q. We will get 4 rows. So PQ. The next P implies Q. Then P dot, P implies Q. And the last one is P dot, P implies Q. The whole implies Q. The values are 0, 0, 1, 1. The value of Q, 0, 1, 0, 1. P implies Q. When P is equal to 1 and Q equal to 0, the value of P implies Q is 0. All other pairs it is 1. So we can write here 0. All other pairs it is 1. 1, 1, 1. Next we need to multiply, find the AND operator of P dot, P implies Q. That means we need to take these 2 columns, P implies Q and P. The value 0 into 1, 0, again 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Now we got P dot, P implies Q. The last column, P dot, P implies Q, the whole implies Q. So we can consider P dot, P implies Q. This column, consider this as P to easily understand. P, and we are considering Q, these 2 columns. When P is equal to 1 and Q is 0, then it is 0, is it? Here, so what is the value here? 0 as 1, again as 1, 1. Here P is 1, but Q is 1. Both are 1. So there is no 0 values. All the truth values is ones in P dot, P implies Q, the whole implies Q. So we got the answer as full truth values as ones. So that is clear, it is a tautology. Hence it is established that from given premises P and P implies Q, conclusion drawn is Q, and this is modus ponens. Next is using algebraic method from premises P and P implies Q, infer Q. The same question that we discussed using truth table, here we are using algebraic method. So the statement, we know how to derive the statement. P dot, P and P implies Q, that is P dot, P implies Q. Infer is also indicated as implies, so the whole implies Q. So the statement P dot, P implies Q, the whole implies Q. Next we need to substitute the Boolean laws. For this method we need to learn the Boolean laws. In the previous video I explained and discussed about the Boolean laws. So please learn it thoroughly. Here, P dot, P implies Q. P implies Q means it is the formula P dash plus Q. The whole implies Q. See, we have substituted the value of P implies Q equal to P dash plus Q. The next step, multiply that value P dot P dash plus P dot Q. The whole implies Q. P dot P dash equal to 0 we have learned through the complementarity law. So this complementarity law, P dot P dash equal to 0 and P dash plus P equal to 1. So using the complementarity law, we are substituting the value of P dot P dash equal to 0. 0 plus PQ, the whole implies Q. Again, 0 plus PQ or 0 plus P, that is the law of property or properties law, isn't it? That is properties of 0. That is properties of 0. 0 plus P equal to P. Using the same, here 0 plus PQ equal to PQ, the whole implies Q. So again, conditional elimination, P implies Q equal to P dash plus Q. Instead of P, here PQ implies Q. So we are applying the formula PQ the whole dash plus Q equal to PQ the whole dash is the De Morgan's. So here we have written the De Morgan's law. AB the whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. Substitute the value here. So PQ the whole dash equal to P dash plus Q dash plus Q equal to, again, Q dash plus Q. Q dash plus Q is equal to 1. Using complementarity law, we are substituting the value for Q dash plus Q equal to 1. So P dash plus 1. And the final one is 1 plus P. Properties of 1. Properties of 1 is 1 plus P equal to 1. So the same here we are substituting P dash plus 1 equal to 1. P dash plus 1 equal to 1. Properties of 1. So hence we have drawn the conclusion as Q. Hence the result is established. The inference rules established is known as modus ponens rules. It is P and P implies Q, infer Q. That is the modus ponens rules. Next question. Solve algebraically P implies Q dot negation Q, the whole implies negation P. So we need to solve this one. The given question is P implies Q dot negation Q, the whole implies negation Q. Using algebraic method we are solving this one. Same, using the equivalence law we have to substitute. So first of all, P implies Q. The formula P implies Q, P dash plus Q P dash plus Q dot Q dash, that is negation Q, Q dash, the whole implies P dash or P negation, that we can write like this. Okay, both way we can write. So the so here we have to substitute the conditional elimination. This is a conditional elimination. P implies Q equal to P dash plus Q. That formula we have substituted. Next one, we need to multiply the two. So we will get P dash dot Q dash plus Q dot Q dash whole implies P dash. Again, equivalence law, Q into Q dash equal to 0. Complementarity law, we are substituting that complementarity law here. So QP dash Q dash plus 0, the whole implies P dash. Again, which law? 0 plus P. Properties of 0. So we will get 0 plus P equal to P. So we are writing P dash Q dash plus 0 equal to P dash Q dash, the whole implies P dash. Again the same conditional elimination. So we will write this one, P dash Q dash, the whole implies P dash. So we are just writing P dash Q dash, the whole dash plus P dash. De Morgan's law, AB the whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. Same like here, P dash the whole dash is P plus Q plus P dash. So again, which law? P plus P dash equal to 1. Complementarity law. So we will get P plus P dash equal to 1. Next we are substituting that complementarity law, 1 plus Q. 1 plus Q is properties of 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. So the same value here, it is equal to 1. So we got the final answer as 1. So hence it is established. Find the complement of given using De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law, AB the whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash, and the one A plus B the whole dash equal to A dash dot B dash. These are the two laws. So here we are using De Morgan law, equal to find the complement. So AB dash plus A dash plus BC the whole dash. Next we need to apply the De Morgan's law. First one, AB dash the whole dash dot A dash the whole dash dot BC the whole dash equal to AB the whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash, first law. So here we are substituting that law here. So we will get A dash plus B dash the whole dash equal to B. So A dash plus B into A dash the whole dash is A dot BC the whole dash means the same law. Which one? B dash plus C dash. So we got the answer as A dash plus B dot A plus B dash plus C dash. So this is the final answer. We need to find the complement by using De Morgan law. Using the same De Morgan's law, just substituting the laws and finding the complement. 7th question. Reduce the Boolean expression to their simplest form. So the given is CD the whole dash plus A plus CD plus AB. So we are writing here the same, CD the whole dash plus A plus CD plus AB. Next substitute the Boolean laws. Here CD the whole dash plus CD. CD the whole dash and CD, these two terms, is it? That is, we can apply complementarity rule or law A plus A dash equal to 1. Instead of A, CD the whole dash plus CD equal to 1. So here we are substituting the value. What is the value here? 1. 1 plus again A plus A equal to A. So we are writing A plus AB. Next, properties of 1. 1 plus A equal to 1. So the same 1 we are substituting and AB. Same properties of 1 again we are applying. So final value is 1. So the simplest form is 1. Next is some exercises. You should write in your notebook, prove chain rule. Chain rule, what is chain rule? That we discussed in previous video. Just using truth table method and algebraic method, you should prove chain rule. And the second question, x plus y the whole dash plus x plus y the whole dash equal to x plus y, you should prove using algebraic method. Then reduce the expression a dot b plus c into a dot c plus a dot b the whole dash. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.